Traders, I didn't trade today, but I was trading yesterday, and yesterday I have scalping. How to say? So basically, I want to scalp yesterday, but I want to scalp yesterday 1 minute time frame, not 5. But overall, if you start in a 15-minute time frame, what you can see here, and what place is, because that's the place where I was talking when I was taking that sell there. I was talking about this Fibonacci here, and you can see the price is bouncing in exactly the 618. Let's put this one here. So the price action is bouncing inside the 618, and what is happening here? Price is creating super nice W, and you can see how the W is sitting here. Absolutely beautiful. And what is happening next? Break above and retest here and start going higher. So that was a good movement. So if you're trading here, and you can see 618 was retested opposite to. So for example, if you're taking this entry, so you're going back where the sellers start before. So that's your entry all the way back here. And your stop loss is, you can use those are 3 weeks, but most likely the safe be the last one. Very awesome trade. Super awesome. But I was trading in 1 minute time frame. Take a few scalps here. So now we know already some information what is happening previously. So we have break, retest, and price is creating the high and going back to retest. You can see here how the patterns are fighting. W against M, and then price is going below W and creating another W, and the next movement the price is breaking the highs, pattern highs, and the structural highs. And then I was waiting another retest, and that was my entry, and day profit was going back to the highs. Super nice for risk reward ratio trades. So the price is bouncing higher, 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 higher. So we definitely break the highs. Again, patient here. You can see the price is creating the double bottom here. And now the price is breaking the highs too, and that's out. So that's for me, that's the same pattern how we start the whole movement. That's the same pattern here. And that's the same thing here. And this pattern is touching the 618. You can see this pattern is touching the 618 perfectly. So there is a bunch of minor information for me to take this opportunity there. So I put the highs in the box, and we have nice breaking structure and retest. I didn't jump in straight in a retest because it wasn't the best movement. So the price can very easily start bouncing around here. So I was doing exactly the same thing what I was doing here. I box those highs in, and I want to see break above it. So soon as when we break above in this area, I was going in, and that was the trade. Nice 8 risk reward ratio trade. And overall you can see how we retested. We retest with the W pattern and start going higher. Beautiful. And then price is going. There was a few more opportunities, and then I was taking another opportunity here because I was looking price is just breaking higher, and look at how, like, look at those W's here. W, W, and the big one. So the big one, what I was seeing in my mind is, so we have this big W here. You can see here, and now the prices start going almost back here, and then thing. And we close, retest, and go lower. And you can see we didn't break it. So the minimum for the W is to break above this area, because you can see how this last weight is sitting here. So that's so the whole this area is the main area. So we have to go above it, retest the same highs, and start going higher. But what is happening here? We get rejected. The opposite side, exactly where is this place to go and make the principle. And now what's happened? We get heavily rejected. Look at this candlestick. This is huge hammer here with the heavy rejection and price going lower. And what the price is doing in lower, creating another W. So where we see the same behavior. Remember here, price is creating the W, and price action is breaking W lows and create another W and breaking structure. Price is creating W, break lower and creating another W. And what is happening next? Price is going above it, retest, second, 2 times retest, and start breaking above it. So here you can see how the price is inside the box, because it's heavy area where we have to go above it. And what's happened here? Prices break above the box and retesting the box. Start going higher. And here we can see now, if we delete this one, how the principle here, how the principle was respected here. W high, and you can see price going above, retest, and we have a final extension movement for the buyers. Again, very good entry, but I get nice 9.3 risk reward ratio tier 2. Sometimes it's good to scalp with 1 minute, to how to say, to practice your mind, or just a simple training, to be honest. And what is happening next? So you can definitely see you have bunch of more extension here, and now price is back to lows. You can put the holder in here, so you know that's the main area. So price is bouncing here, get rejected. You can see the wicks are here, and here it gets rejected. But here we didn't get rejected by wicks. Here we get rejected by candlestick pattern, and now we have very strong movement here. You can see very strong movements. And what's happened here? Super nice retest. So for example, to take here some trades. So overall principle, the retest is pretty good entry. Your stop loss is last week. What is up here? And one opportunity, scalp back here with no problem. You can scalp back there, and yep, take profit hit here. Super nice scalp. So structure break. Oh, mouse is doing funny things. So here, the structure break, pullback. The mouse is doing some funny things. So here you have what the feed is doing. Oh, look how close. But we didn't still get stop out. For example, if you're a feed trader, your entry, your take profit, and your stop loss, it will be here. Oh, pretty, yeah, same stop losses with the structure. Nice. Very good opportunities to take some trades there. So one more thing. So we have, so here here what you can see is the pattern what is grading here. Bounce, bounce. Oh, what's happened here? At the mouse again. I'm gonna try this. Let's do this one. Here we can see the pattern what is creating the holder, but the perish one. Break lower. You can see here. That's the perish holder pushing downsides. We can do this one. So that's the perish holder and it is pushing downsides. Let's see what's happened here. Ooh, almost. It wasn't enough. Yeah, like this day profit was pretty accurate here because you can see how we create the W here. Yeah, that's a bit more noisy, but it's still W inside. And then it's actually continuing with the same pattern what is here. So here we disrespect, and here we kind of respect, but we have just one extension, and then we break under, and again, and we fail this W. So W started here, W extending here, so we continue with the pattern, get rejected, and now we fail the W. Nice. So sellers are already stronger. So that's already interesting. We didn't go back here. So that's mean the pressure is already pretty strong. Go, 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 go. Yeah, there is definitely, you have here already some opportunities and here. And today, price is bouncing. Definitely, there is two areas for today scalping opportunities. Let's see what 15 is doing. Yep. Close computer, boys, and just enjoy the weekend. And me too. I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna speak you in Monday. Enjoy the weekend. Right now here we have sun. Nice. I'm just gonna take the bicycle and go in the city, visiting a person. I have to drive 25 kilometers with the bicycle, but that's no problem because it's amazing. But one more thing, look at the curve here, and you can see we break above it, and the FIB is pushing higher. If you have some more questions, leave in the comments, and I see you in the next video. Thank you and ciao!